Welcome to Kinabase, a smarter way to manage your business information. Today we're going to create a basic automation in Kinabase to keep on top of our project reviews. Let's open Kinabase and navigate to System Settings. System Settings can be found by clicking on your name or the Settings cog in the bottom left of the window. Please note, you will need to be a system administrator to access all these settings. Once you have System Settings open, navigate to the Organization group. Now select Automations under the Organization grouping. Here you will find a list of the automations on your Kinabase. Click the plus Add Automation button in the top right of the window to create a new automation. This will bring up a dialog window for you to fill in the name and description of your automation. We will call our example Project Review. First, we must set up the trigger. This trigger will be the interaction which causes the automation to start. Under the Whenever prompt, there is a drop-down. Pick the appropriate trigger from the options listed. Once you've picked your trigger type, more dialog boxes will appear. Select the other options as appropriate, such as the stage, from, and, to, or the specific collection or record field. For our example, we are going to create an aid help us keep on top of our project reviews and capture any learnings from these. This automation will generate a task and to create a new project review record. So we will set the options to Whenever a project changes stage, from Draft Complete to Under Review. Then, now, we need to establish what actions will automatically occur after the automation is triggered. Under the Then heading, click Add Step. Use the Type drop-down to select the action type that you want to occur, such as adding a task, sending a notification, or creating a new record. In our example, we will first choose to add a task. Now you're prompted to give the task a name, such as, please review this project. And then to assign this task to another team member, we are going to assign this to Hector Jefe. We are now going to add another action, which is to create project review record. Click Add Step. Then use the drop-down to select Create a new record. Now we will choose in which collection. For our example, this will be in the Project Reviews collection. Once you've selected the target collection, you will see a list of the fields in this collection. You can automatically give these either fixed values or to link it to the trigger, in our case linking the project field back to the initial project record. For our example, we don't need to specify any of the other fields, but there are lots of things you could do with this functionality. And remember, we are always expanding Kinabase's automation capabilities. Please note, you could add even more steps if you'd like to. For our example, we will now click OK. Congratulations, you've created your first automation. Let's quickly test this automation by changing a project state to Under Review. And see if Hector has received his task and the new project review record has been created. Great, I've now asked Jefe to sign in. He has a notification about the task assigned to him, and it appears on his dashboard. We can also see the new record in the project review collection, ready for Hector to input the information to complete the project review. In order to check on your automations, you can also right-click on them and View Logs. This will show you a record of when the automation was triggered and if it was successful. Fantastic! You can now create lots of useful automations to make you and your team more productive by cutting out the repetitive tasks that you deal with every day. You should now be able to confidently create your own automations on Kinabase. What will your team create with our automation feature? If there's something you would like to create, but can't work out how, please do reach out to us and we will be more than happy to help. Let us know what you think of this feature and what automations you've created. And if you really fancy doing the maths, why not calculate how much time your automations have saved you and your team every month? Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy tailoring Kinabase to your business needs.